Wow.
But my bitch a new face.
Wow. Fresh paint on the hood. Escalade caps. Back, oh yeah, back bumper.
I took the back bumper apart. I painted it. It didn't look good. So I fucking stripped all the paint off. But they still got some on there. I'm gonna just let that come off.
You gotta go to AutoZone and get you that new little thing. It's like 20-something bucks.
And I need to get the sensors to fill in the hole.
Go and drop Andre's truck off. Get them 33s put on there. We're gonna just drop it off right quick. Said it should take about an hour, maybe a little less. So that's cool. Andre was finally stopped revving. She looks goofy. Big meat. No, I don't think so. It don't look bad.
I think it looks better.
They look a little small, but these look more aggressive. I like it. Fuck it. That boy about to get him some 35s on the 22s. What?
But I couldn't pull it off the replacement piece.
80% tread. Still got at least another 50,000 miles for sure.
I know what I got.
16s and 20s. $5,000. I know what I got.
Plug this back in. Plug this back in.
For shizzle.
You don't forget to
Young city boys us, so I'm on sorry. I'm teaching all this rusty. Getting hard and money, getting hard. I'm very getting fucked. I get zoned. I'm really miss my darling. And money on me flashback. Went to a hashtag.
you gonna be my bitch. Wash my truck.
Not too shabby. Gotta get that buffed out. That's from Church Point. Fuck y'all that did that. That's from Church Point. Where's it at? That's from Church Point. But I got from the flare. Andre shit getting washed, man. Yeah, man, you wanna be in it? Old, new. Fucking, I don't like that yellow shit. Before and after, that one's just a little yellow. So, fuck it. You got your Block Boys sticker, man. You in Block Boys, dude?
I'm never trying that shit again.
What'd that thing do? Oh my God. Cops lit him up.
They got Carter,
They
bro.
got him, bro.
They
He's
got
done.
Carter.
They got him, bro. He's done. But on a good note, he did a good burnout.
No, he did a two-wheel drive fucking burnout. Like 2 wheels. Fucking deal.
Wow. But the cops just got him.
Man, we should walk over there.
No, we shouldn't.
Man, I'm not driving over there.
No.
I'm gonna just stay right here for a minute.
Now, I'm gonna stay right here and then wait for Carter to text me and be like, I just got arrested or something, you know?
Yeah.
Lance is with him too.
Man, no, not Carter, man. Not Carter, no. Free my boy, he ain't did nothing. Look, bro, you famous now, bro. Oh. Damn. Bro, you famous. Bro, you famous, bro.
Nah.
Yeah, bro.
Nah. You the YouTuber, bro.
No, bro, you famous. You got a Denali, bro. You famous. Bro, buy his wheels, bro. Buy his wheels. Oh, you. Damn, bro. Man, look, I wasn't trying to do you like that, but they did it, okay? All right. Check them out. Colin, why your shit don't sound like that?
I'm not. It never will. It won't. It won't.
Well, so, see what happened was, fucking thing come up on the dash said, charging system bullshit, fucked up, basically. I just ignored it because my voltage was still good. Well, my voltage coming to this nice little bar right here, fucking went, and my truck won't start. Well, the alternator's fucked. It won't take a charge at all. Well, it'll jump and it'll run for about 10 seconds. So I'm about to call the record service. We're gonna get this fucker on the road. Content, tow truck for me. Hell yeah, brother. Well, we can't even give it any juice to fucking pull it around, so he's backing it up. Fuck it. If he curves my shit, I'm suing. Yeah, we got it loaded up. We finna head to my house. He's gonna drop it off. Only cost me like $140, not too bad. He was careful with the powder, so I appreciate it. Hey, fire roller, what's up with it? We just gotta follow this slot. Or at least it looks good on the trailer. Made it home.
No, Finn, there's only one way.
Go to the bank, make it deposit. We not GLE, no deposit. Picture my wrist leak, no contrast. Sorry, I'm cocky, but as you can see, I ain't Denali. Ain't it? But you see, I got a shot. When you try to claim my crown. Know you be counting me, just so that's all you know.
So I'm fixing to swap out the alternator and bring it in and get a new one. Got a new alternator in. About to put the belt back on, and I got some hose because if you watch the Sabine video, my one of the vacuum lines is messed up, so I'm gonna put that hose right there until the actual part comes in. As soon as the battery is almost fully charged, I'm gonna hook it all up and start it, and hopefully that fixes my problem. So I had charged the battery. The battery is at 12 volts. Before I put it in, it was like 12.3. Put it back in, got it all hooked up obviously. That vacuum line worked because it's not, doesn't sound like it's chopping, it's not, skipping. And then my voltage is about 14 or so, so I'm gonna let it auto for a while. obviously I'm gonna have to reset my radio and stuff, but I'm gonna let it idle for a while. Because of that vacuum line, it wasn't getting a good connection, suction on it. So it would make it run like shit. Because it was split right here and it was leaking out. I could put my fingers and squeeze it and it would stop. So that's another about $200 down the drain. But I'm gonna let this idle for a while and see, then I'll put everything back together, hook my rock lights and whatnot back up, and we'll be good to go.